Buyer tip number 5, beware of short sales. Many times when you're looking through the internet to look for a property to purchase, you find the perfect home that looks great in the pictures, and then you see in the little remarks it says this is a short sale. Now the reason you have to beware of short sales is because most listing agents will price it very low and aggressive. They want to get an offer quickly so they can accept that offer and send it to the seller's mortgage lien holder. You see on a short sale, a seller's lien holder has to go ahead and approve the terms and the price of that offer. And they don't tell the listing agent or the buyer what that price is going to be. So even though the seller accepts your offer and your price that looks very attractive, it may be rejected by the lien holder and they may ask for another $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000. So beware of short sales in that you may have to pay more. Now, short sales could take 3, 4, 5, 6 months to close. If you have the patience and the flexibility to pay a little bit more money and wait a little bit more time, there is a possibility to get somewhat of a discount. Now, I'm not talking 10, 20% off the price or the value. However, you may be able to get something $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 less. So while you should beware of short sales, they also could offer opportunities. Just go into it with the right buyer's agent. Thank you for tuning in for this tip.